Looking to buy a home, but are not sure whether to look at a new home or a resale home? Well, here are 5 reasons to consider a resale home. Number 1, price. Resale homes are generally less expensive than comparable new homes, which can be an advantage for buyers on a tight budget. Buying a resale home may also give you the opportunity to negotiate on the price and the terms of the sale. Number 2 is location. Resale homes are often located in established neighborhoods. These are neighborhoods that will have amenities such as parks and schools. Established neighborhoods can also give you a sense of community and belonging. Number 3 is landscaping. Resale homes often have mature landscaping, which can provide privacy and shade in the summer, and you'll save the time, money, and work required to establish these features. The 4th reason is built-in equity. Resale homes may have some built-in equity. Older homes in need of an update can be a good investment if you have the skills and the time. Putting the effort into updating a home will increase its value. And lastly, there's character. Resale homes often have a unique character and charm that may be difficult to find in new construction. So if you're thinking of buying a home, I'd be happy to guide you through the process. I'm Joseph Go, a realtor on Vancouver Island. Let me be your go-to guy for real estate.